How do I learn to code? This sounds like a very basic question, but when you start exploring and you ask yourself, how do I learn to code? You start to realize it's actually not very straightforward. As a matter of fact, it's just the tip of the iceberg. For so many years, people would come to me and ask questions like, how can I make my own apps? How can I learn to program? Or how can I get into the world of technology? This is why I wrote my book, Hello Swift. It's my journey of learning how to code in book form. And I wrote it keeping in mind beginners of all ages. It's the perfect combination of science, technology, and mathematics, working towards better STEAM learning. My goal through Hello Swift is not just to teach the syntax of a programming language, because that's not what development is all about. Development is about leveraging computational thinking in order to use the fundamental building blocks that computers provide in order to solve problems.
Since I've had very little coding experience, Hello Swift helped me to think like a programmer.
It really had a focus on the kid, so the way the child would learn, it really tuned its teaching towards that. So it didn't use high language and it didn't use things that the kid wouldn't understand. It made it fun and it made it interactive so that they could actually become more and more excited as they read the book.
I believe that everyone can code as long as you believe. If you're learning language and simple counting and simple geography straight from when you're 4 years old, then why not code? We shouldn't be treating code as this exotic and next to unachievable subject. It's just another thing to learn so you're prepared for the future. Hello Swift is a perfect example of the way I believe everyone should learn. You should start small, start easy, and of course, start playful.
Thank you, Tanmay.